Welcome to NOFOMO's completely biased campsite review. Today we are in Rood River Park, community park. It's actually a Corps of Army Engineers park with a boat ramp and some primitive campsite, roughly 20-ish sites. There's a couple of more RV type sites to that area, and a pit toilet. And here we are, as usual, in the more tent camper section, because it's typically more quiet. It's alongside, the river on all sides, so it's pretty neat. We arrived here Saturday. There was about a third full, and now there's maybe just a couple of people left during the week, so that's quite nice. Our spot wasn't completely level, but obviously by now we're pros, so I went into the woods back there, got a couple of logs, and was able to straighten up. Otherwise, fire ring, a picnic table, and a pretty good view. And what's really nice is the Spanish moss dangling outside of your window, so you've arrived in the south when you see Spanish moss on the trees. There are alligator warning signs around that if you're swimming or wading, you need to be careful. I need to report nuisance alligators, but so far, given that it's cold, we haven't seen any, but we're keeping Wilbur under tight wraps so that he doesn't become alligator breakfast. One thing I forgot to mention, these places are free, so that's a really good advantage. You can stay up to 14 days, but you don't need a permit. There's a sign-in book, and at the beginning of the campground there's even a host that can give you advice if needed to, but it's pretty straightforward. And given that it's kind of beginning of December, there's not a whole lot of rush. So I do hope you enjoyed this NOFOMO's completely biased campsite review here from Georgia. We're about an hour south of Columbia, Georgia, just on the border to Alabama, because the cell phone sometimes picks up the Alabama signal, and then your cell phone switches to Central Time and then to Eastern Time again, and so forth. But these are first world problems. So yeah, click like if you like the video, hit subscribe to follow us on future campsite reviews and our travels throughout the US and eventually the world. Bye bye.